Hey guys, ALTA Racks, Ali from ALTA Racks with Ali and Dan, and we have Ben from Liberty, Utah. Ben has brought us a super sick mountain trike. It's got all the bells and whistles. Can you tell us about it, please?
Yeah, this is made by Reactive Adaptations. It's called the Hammerhead. It's for my wife. She's a paraplegic, so it's a hand cycle. So that's where she cranks right there. She puts her knees here, butt there, and she leans over the handlebars and is able to really crush it. We didn't have a way to get it to the trail real well, so I contacted ALTA Racks and see if they'd be willing to take on this project, and they have been fantastic.
Thanks.
And they have been awesome to build this extender and these custom straight baskets. I loaded this in all by myself.
Yes, you did.
And I pushed it up all by myself.
Yes, you did.
Before I've been having to take 3 of us to get up on top of a van.
Yeah.
But no more, thanks to ALTA Racks.
Yeah, you literally loaded this on a roof, rolling it over your windshield, right?
That's it.
On this beast right here. So it was going on that roof. I think we got a little easier life going soon. So we're gonna powder coat these babies, but these are the new baskets. They're pretty custom because we have to both adjust for height, tire width, location, so we have a fixed basket that's going to also bring out another product real soon here. But this is basically your trike. Is this made in US?
This is made in Crested Butte, Colorado.
Oh, that's so sick. American made, baby. Right here, an American made rack. And we'll have these shortly, and Ben is gonna be #1 that's gonna have one of these. Pretty sick stuff. We're super thankful he brought this over, and we're even more thankful we can provide a solution here. Thanks again, guys. We really appreciate you.